Hello, welcome to Elm Education Central. Today we are going to study how to unlock these QR codes that are in the book. Specifically for grade 3, since I have a son in grade 3, my distance learning buddy from SIBS Publishing House. And this is what we are going to do first. You are going to pull Play Store, then type QR code reader. Since I have already this one and I've used QR code reader for Android, and there are many barcode or QR code scanner here. I have chosen the second one, QR and barcode scanner with 100 million plus downloads. So I have already here, so I need to proceed to my QR scanner. This is the QR scanner now. I need to unlock first, then just focus this one on the code. There it goes. Then it appears here the link, so just click the link. Just click the link and this appears. Here it appears now the provinces in Region 1. We have Ilocos Norte, Ilocos Sur, La Union, Pangasinan. And there are many things about Ilocos region or Region 1 that needs to be read on this code. I hope you learn how to unlock the QR code that is in the books. Good day!